what's up? Welcome back to another video. CamStack here, and today I'm going to be doing the system test one for the fire alarm system. And so my panel, since it's system test one, I actually don't have this panel working yet. But I do have these alarms. So first I'm going to go over the alarms. Right here I have the Notifier NBG12 for the pole station. Just go ahead and open this. The Notifier NBG12. Yeah, NBG12 for a pole station. Then above it I have a light. I actually thought this was a strobe, but it is actually not a strobe. It's a light, and as you can see, I actually used to have this alarm mounted there, but I just didn't like I just didn't really like it there. So I put this one up, and as you can see, it has a little gap, and it was extremely hard to mount. And this will be the same for another one I'll show you, and I'll let you know which one. On the back, I have these wire nuts. I have wire nuts right here holding them together. I have wire nuts holding all these wires together. So yeah, and then over here, I have the Simplex, I'm pretty sure it is. System sensor P1224MC. I'm pretty sure it's a Simplex system sensor. I know it's a system sensor. I'm pretty sure it's Simplex, and I just read the model number. I don't actually know it. Excuse me. And then over here, down here, I don't have enough drywall to mount it on. So I just put it down here for now. I'll fix it, but I should have this fixed by system test 2. But I actually don't know the model number on this one. But I just put it down here, and I put the red strobe. And then the wire nuts, as you can see. All right. Yeah, that's the one that also has wire nuts on it. This one just has spade lugs on the back. I just have spade lugs on the back of that one. All right, time to start the actual test. I'll show that you can hear it everywhere. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. Is that light? That one. Then if I go over here, clearly. Sorry about the camera not focusing. Go over here. You can actually see that red strobe. Go down here. Over here. Let's go outside and see if you can hear that side.
I hear it.
A little. You can hear it back there. A little. Alright, that's fine. Alright, let's go reset it. See the strobe on there?
I can see it and hear it from outside.
Alright, let's go reset it. Here's the fire alarm. Here's that light again. I reset it by the pole station. Alright, so yeah, I actually reset it by the pole station because, as you know, I don't have this put in. So when I reset the pole station, it resets the whole system. So yeah, that is system test 1. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.